Today we're going to be making Millies Cookies. So these are all the ingredients that you're going to need, and you're also going to need a large bowl, a wooden spoon, and just a regular tablespoon, and then you'll want to have a tray with some baking paper on it, just for when you cook it. So before you start, make sure you wash your hands, tie your hair up, put on an apron, and then you can measure out all the ingredients and also preheat the oven to 180 degrees. So first you're going to take your butter, and you want your butter to be soft, so either leave it out of the fridge for a bit or put it in the microwave for just about 20 seconds. And then you also need to add the white caster sugar and the brown sugar. And then you're going to cream this all together. So you want it to all be nice and fluffy and creamy. You can either use an electric whisk if you have one, or just a wooden spoon. So now you're going to add in the vanilla and the beaten egg, and then just mix that all together. So now you're going to add your salt, and then you're going to sieve in your self-raising flour. To mix those all together now. Now you need to add your chocolate chips. Now we're going to make the cookies, so you're going to need to get a piece of the cookie dough with some of the chocolate chips in it, and you're going to make them into a ball. I'd say around that size, so like just a small golf ball kind of size, and then you just push it all together. Add a little bit more if you fancy it. And then we're going to put it on a baking tray, making sure that you spread them out a little bit, because obviously when they cook, they'll expand. Last step is you need to get a fork and just push them down a little bit, just so they're no longer golf balls. There we go. Then put them in the oven. And then we'll just bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. So these are what they look like when they come out of the oven. You can leave them to cool and they should harden, and then they're ready to eat. So all that's left to do is wash up.